Yeah, you're so spoiled. When I walked in the house, I didn't include you because I looked and I saw you were such a sloven little girl.
Mulla on aivan helvetin sama, mitä muut on mieltä.
No much longer are you gonna ever have this pig shit.
I promise.
Okay, goodbye.
Me and you.
No, you know, I don't give a shit about me. It's about you, bitch.
Jokainen omalla tyylensä.
You know what? I'm here as your friend. Understand this right now. I didn't fly all the way from the United States of America. Damn, that bitch can
I really need it.
Why do you want to be in front of the camera?
I want to be in new places and see people and learn fashion. This is like the first time when I've tried this and I love it.
Too bad you're ugly. Just kidding. Okay. Just kidding. It's an American joke. She's so beautiful.
Siis ensin ei tajunnut, että kuinka huonossa kunnossa se oli, että se oli tosi mukava ja tosi niinku päällekäyvä, mutta mä luulen, että se oli ihan niinku normaalia, että mitä on nähnyt niinku telkkarista, että minkälainen se on, niin en mä niinku pitänyt sitä yhtään outona.
You know, you could all be almost my grandchildren. But you know what? It's all right. Yeah, don't you get like that so snippy with me. All right? Because I have a son. She's so cute. You might even be there. You have to be respectful, always. You all have it all. Depends on the final choices of Finland's next top model.
Ja no, kyllä se ehkä meni vähän sellaisiin omituisiin juttuihin, mitkä ei olisi periaatteessa liittynyt tähän mallintöihin mitenkään. Mutta en mä kokenut se niin pahana kuin jotkut tytöt täällä.
Why do you want to be a model?
Because I love it.
Because you love it. No, it's not good enough.
Janice oli kovin kriittinen sen takia, että minkälainen se vastaus on, että siihen ei riittänyt ihan mikään sellainen vaan, että no mä tykkään tästä hommasta.
I want to be a model because, all right, I want to pose, okay? I want to pose. I want to walk. I want to eat. I want to sleep. I want to shit. I want to be that model. I want to dream. I want to learn about photography. I want to eat, sleep, shit, eat, whatever it takes to be a model. Not because you love it. You're a pretty girl. I love the way you look. But it's not about that. It's about more, booby. It's about more. You guys, don't know, sir, don't know.
Oh fuck.
Ihan ylhäältä alas saakka.
You all. Have you ever slid down the stairs? This is not bullshit. This is not an act. I
saw it.
Yeah, what you see.
Tuntuu vaan niin epätodelliselta, että Janice Dickinson on kaatunut meidän rappusissa ja siis koko homma niinku tuntui vaan tosi niinku, mä naurettiin siellä ylhäällä, kun mä oltiin ihan shokissa.
My leg isn't working, so I want the guy to come and help me out. Do something, you stupid models! Call a fucking ambulance! You're so stupid!
Alkoi huutaa, että saatanan mallit, että osaa mitään muuta kuin poseerata.
Call a fucking ambulance! Figure something out! All you do is pose, you're all so fucking dumb.
Ei siinä tajunnut siinä tilanteessa niinku mitään. Sitten mietin, että onko tää niinku vitsi, että onko tää niinku sovittu juttu, mutta sitten kyllä sen tajusi silti, että ei tää nyt voi olla.
Hi, girls. Please. I have something to say. Sit down.
Ei se ole voinut jättää sitä tilannetta siihen, mihin se jäi edellisenä iltana.
Do something, you stupid models! Call a fucking ambulance! Figure something out!
Tuli pyytämään meiltä anteeksi edellisen illan tapahtumia.
As I was leaving the hotel, I took a glass of champagne and I took, instead of a vitamin C, I took sleeping aids. So I mixed a combination of sleeping aid with champagne, and it had a reaction that was vulgar. What do you think's gonna make a lot of change with everything you just said? And incorrect. Call a fucking ambulance! Figure something out! All you do is pose, you're all so fucking dumb. Completely inappropriate. I don't remember the things that I said, and that's wrong. And I want to say that I'm so incredibly sorry, and I misbehaved, and I hope you can find inside your heart to accept my apology, because I'm very, very sorry. It shouldn't have happened.
Nostan hattua, että sillä on näistä niinku pokkaa tulla siihen.
That it's okay to be human. It's okay to make the mistake, but once you make it, it's better not to keep making it.
Siis kun on sanonut jotain, niin kyllähän ne vähän aikaa tietysti jää mieleen, mutta kyllä mä unohdan ne, koska hän tuli pyytämään anteeksi.
One time in Rome, I was working for Valentino, and there was alcohol. And I drank the alcohol at 11 o'clock in the morning. And I opened the show. I was the big star of Valentino and Gianni Versace. And Azzedine Alaïa, all the big designers were hiring me. I was very, very lucky. And I made the mistake of taking the alcohol. And when I walked to the end of the runway, I kept walking. So I walked off the runway into the crowd. It's not funny. I did a loop-de-loop, and I fell like, you know, and like into the lap of Sophia Loren, the famous film actress. And I woke up and I was like, oh, Miss Loren, I love you. I love you so much. And I said, oh my God, I'm so sorry. And everybody's applauding. They thought it was that I meant to do it, and I didn't mean to do it.